perfect comedy.
Check this punk out.
Hey, you're a coach. I get excited when I get a must-see.
Can you give me a thought? Like trying to wake me up.
It's laugh out loud funny and a pure pleasure to experience.
So this is bad.
JBJ, John Bon Jovi.
Really?
Win-win.
I'm ready, coach.
Should rated R.
From advances in medical imaging that help doctors detect diseases earlier, to innovations in renewable power that bring America closer to energy independence, to investments that help businesses grow and create jobs. At GE, we're using imagination at work, eco-imagination, healthy imagination, and capital to create advanced technology that's good for the economy, for the environment, for everyone.
Can you silver saute pursue your retirement?
Gosh, I think this is why?
Inspiring gourmet meals like grilled chicken Alfredo tortelloni with all white meat chicken and spinach in a rich Alfredo sauce. Oh, that's for cute. New silver saute pursue. Find more ways to get to the table at letsfixdinner.com.
Smart appliances, smart cars. Who take the answer represent
Dad, all I wanted was a smartphone, but you...
Forget you. Feeling Green forces to change lyrics. You demand
You have off the rolling. Thing is so visual. You should have used things, Dad.
I should have been a cowboy.
See, ratings for me is all organized, so I can find exactly what I'm looking for. Things, got it. Ooh, it has a video camera.
Oh, hello, how are you? I'm Arnold Horseshack.
Stop searching, start deciding. With Bing, the decision engine from Microsoft.
What's the word, Grandpa Jack? Come on, you dad. I just stopped talking to this.
Invite America's funniest family.
Grandpa, can you say platform?
Yeah, it's your next movie night. With the humor and gossip. Little Spot Period. Only in Denver.
Monday by Bravo. It's Bethany's birthday party and everyone's there. Fun. Come up here. The Big 4-0 is a big fun. Bethany and the Raptor is all new Monday at 10, 9 Central. Only by Bravo.
All right, let's make a hit.
Welcome back to our What's What Happens Live Top Chef Finale Special with Richard Blaze and Mike Isabella, everybody! I want to go to Chicago because they are telling me that Gail Simmons has a viewer question there. Hey, Gail.
Hi, Angie. How are ya?
Great. Tell me what...
I'm here with Maureen.
Hey,
And Maureen, you have a question for Richard, right? I do. My question for Richard is, of all of the dishes that Mike's made throughout the competition, which one would you be most proud to have on the menu at your restaurant?
All the dishes that Mike made. Yeah, that Mike made. I mean, the halibut dish and the fortress of pepperoni sauce that I just ate tonight, like, just lights out. Fantastic. Both stellar dishes, but there's probably